Alright, tayo na na sa ating semi-final game. Angelo Baltao versus Negrito. Negrito first the basket in favor of Jonas. Negrito. Yes. Negrito with it. Oh. That's a foul by Angelo. Jonas. Negrito. Crossover. Spin. Fade away shot. No. Good defense para kay Angelo and gets the rebound. 2 minutes and last 2 minutes. Angelo with the Hesi with a layup. Good defense. Angelo Baltao. Angelo. Oh, sorry, that's Negrito. Correction. Great defense by Angelo. Angelo Baltao for 3 and it gets the 2. Angelo, wala. Oh, hit their own miss by Angelo. Miss. Jonas ba? Jonas na. Jonas. Nas na. Thank you.
Wala tayong ganun.
Last 45 seconds. Let's go. Jonas with the spin. Strip. Oy, what a nice reverse layup. A reverse shot. Sorry, Baltao. Negrito 4-3. No. Angelo. Oh. Negrito bang. Lala po. Overtime. Sir. Baltao. Angelo Baltao.
Ano? Tay. Oh.
Pebla tayo. Makapuntos ba, bro? Makapuntos? Angelo Baltao.
Slightly got the name right. I'm so sorry.
Sige lang, bro.
So, point flip.
Nas, kalabay. Ayo. Nas, kalabay, Nas.
Alright, let's go. First win, first shot. Siyang mananalo at a-advance sa finals. Let's go. Negrito with the ball. Negrito with the cross. Negrito matake. And there's a foul. Munti ka pa yun si Angelo. So easy basket for Angelo. Let's go. Jonas Negrito with the ball. Jonas. Walang tawag. Ayan na. Jonas. Using their brain. Oh! There's a foul. There's a foul. Oh, corrections. There's a foul. Bola rito ni Jonas Negrito. Jonas again with the ball. For the win. Ayan na. Rehesi. Crossover. Step back. Oh, no good. Rimas. Negrito! Advance sa finals. And a nice game for Angelo Baltao.
Next game.
What a good game. What a good fight for both this game.
Juniors, Jared Perez versus AB Rossi Villalanda. Winner in the second spot in the finals.
Alright. De La Pena versus
Walis. Sabihin mo, kasi baka ma-miss siya yung awarding. Yung awarding lang. Kailangan may pinto. Kasi kasama siya na sa awarding. Ikaw na lang daw.
pull up. No. Pull up. Miss. Rebound.
Get up! 5 point!
Basket para sa Naka-DM.
2 minutes and 8 seconds!
Gets that three. No good. Uy, nice fake. Oh! 2 points. Babawi ulit sa tres. Wala. Uy, wala. 2-1 in favor of the Hyde Max jersey. No good. Whoa, basket. All two. Stop and pump. Oh, change favor.
1 minute and 24 seconds!
Take a shot. No.
4-3-2!
Lock from behind. Uy.
55 seconds!
Last 55 seconds. Gets a three. No good. Ay na, tumira sa tres pa. 5-2. Alright. Advance na rin sa finals.
So for our finals in the juniors division, we have Jonas Negrito versus Jared Kurt D. Reyes.
Reyes versus
Now, for the seniors division, we will have
Negrito ang magharap sa finals sa ating juniors division.
Ram Manalo versus CJ Garcia. Followed by our lucky loser, Joshua Lazaro versus Eric James Jabel. So first we have Manalo versus Garcia.
Manalo versus Garcia.
Here. This is our first senior semi-game. Winner goes to ticket to the finals. Oh, semis pareho. Oo, semis pareho. And then after the finals. Pero may finals tayo juniors. Meron na, meron na.
Garcia. Ay, sorry, that's a Manalo. Out of bounds. Yes, a 3. No. Yes, it. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia, 4-3. Wala. Hindi pala na. Boss. Diba kasi mo? Thank you. Wala pala puntos, no?
1 minute and 35 seconds.
Wala pa rin. Kung ayaw magkabigayan, 1 minute and 25. Garcia gets the basket. 1-0. Favor of CJ Garcia. Garcia strip against foul. Oh! Basket by CJ Garcia. Shoutout po kay Consi Franco Tanyade sa isa mga pasimula ng labang ito. Another 2 points for CJ Garcia. Last one. Oh, 7 pala, no? 7. This is the seniors division. Garcia.
Wow. seconds.
19 seconds. 15. 14. Garcia for 3. Wala.
5 seconds.
Uy, wala.
Nice game.
And a nice game para kay CJ Garcia at mag-advance na rin sa finals sa juniors division.
Now for our other senior semifinal. For the final slot is Joshua, our lucky user, Joshua Lazo versus Eric James Chabel. Winner will be playing CJ Garcia in the finals. God game. There's some Lazaro games they have to play again.
Lazaro. Ooh, first basket para kay Lazaro. Joshua Lazaro. Lazaro. Sino kaya ang mag-advance sa finals? Lazaro using their height advantage. Wala. Diba? EJ. EJ Habel. Crossover with the Hesi. Pumunta sa kaliwa. Oh. Gets a foul. EJ Habel, first basket, all one. EJ, fake, spin, fade away shot, missed. Rebound by Lazaro. Joshua, may tangan ng bola. Joshua, step back 3. Wala. Rebound by Lazaro. Lazaro tumira sa 3, short.
1 minute and 33 seconds.
1 minute and 33 seconds left. EJ Jabel for 3. Boom! 2 points para kay EJ Jabel. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. EJ gets the 3. Oh, another 3-point for EJ. Last 2 for EJ Jabel. Ayan na. Tatapusin na ba? Essie. EJ's fadeaway shot. Miss. Rebound by Lazaro. Last 45 seconds left.
43 seconds.
Lazaro spin. Ooh, there's a foul. Last 32 seconds left. Lazaro with the ball. Lazaro. That's a foul. Oh, there's a foul again. Last 16 seconds, 15. 14 seconds left. Lazaro for 3. No good. Two, one. At EJ Jabel ang aabante sa finals at haharapin si Garcia. Let's go.
Senior division. It will be EJ Jabel versus CJ Garcia. But first, let's start with the juniors. After 3 rounds of games, not even 4 rounds of games today, we have Jonas Negrito versus Jared Kurt E. Reyes. This will be a race of 5. First one to 5.
Kurt
wins
Reyes.
The first place cash prize, 3,000 pesos.
Alright, dito na tayo dadako sa ating finals ng Juniors Division. Kurt Reyes versus Jonas Negrito.
Great defenders also. Very exciting.
Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon para sa labang
For the
ito?
seniors, Sailor, the honor of EJ Jabel versus the speedy hot shooter, CJ Garcia.
Prep. Wait nga. Wala na. Wala yung ay naman ano po yun. Ay na vlog off on. Ay wala ko.
We're just sitting the shot clock and game clock.
Alright, let's go into the finals sa ating Juniors Division. Kurt Reyes versus Jonas Negrito. Let's go. Bola rito ang Negrito. Using their height advantage. Miss. Rebound by Negrito. Negrito. Running shot. No. Rebound by Kurt Reyes. Reyes, top of the key for 3, miss. Jonas.
We have 2 minutes and 27 seconds left. No one's scored yet.
Jonas, pull up. Pull up.
Rebound by Reyes. Get down at 0. 2 minutes, 15 seconds left. Pulls up.
Pull up. Short. Rebound by Kurt. By Jonas. Jonas, stop and pump using the glass. Wala. Rebound by Jonas using their weight. Spin move. Fade away shot. No. Rebound by Kurt. Reyes from the corner. 3. No. Out of bounds. There we go. Jonas, crossover, spin move. Wala pa rin. Oh, last touch. Wala rito ng ni Kurt Reyes. Sino kaya ang unang makakuha ng kampiyon this season? Kurt Reyes gets the basket. With a 1-0. Reyes short.
10 seconds. Change possession after that air ball. We have one last minute in this junior.
Last 1 minute left. Jonas. Negrito crossover. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by Kurt.
Last 45 seconds.
Last 45 seconds.
What's he gonna do? Pulls up.
Oh!
Last 0.8 seconds.
Kurt Reyes short.
Gonna have to go for a three, I think. When he got it.
Jonas for 3. Boom! Oh my!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Gets a 3! Oh! We have an overtime! Grabe! Water break muna tayo, mga idol. Ito ang laban. Tabla tayo sa dalawa. Grabe ang ito sa laban na yun. Sa mga kakasya nila mga, this is the championship game ng ating juniors division. 1v1. Grabe, sobrang intense sa laban natin. Kung sino mga puntos?
Dapat ginawa natin 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oo.
Kung sino mga puntos, pare? Alright, kung sino mga puntos siya na ang panalo at tatangaling kampiyon. Bola rito ni Jonas Negrito. For the win, Negrito matake using their height advantage. Hindi, kung sino mga puntos. Kung sino mga puntos. Shot lock. Oh! Grabe, laban. Great defense with both team. Bola rito ni Jonas Negrito. Let's go! Sino kaya ang tatangaling kampiyon ng Juniors Division? Negrito! Sa foul, bola dito ni Jonas. Negrito for the win! Wala! Rebound by Jonas. Negrito with a hesi. Jonas, wala pa rin! Rebound! Negrito, didiskarte. Ayan na. 5 seconds to shoot. Step back three for the win! In and out! Rebound by Kurt Reyes. Umatake! Wala! Rebound! Jonas! And gets the foul! Grabe! Hindi pwede magkamali ang mga teams. Wow, grabe ang laban na to. Sino kaya ang tatangaling kampiyon ng Juniors Division? Negrito for the win! Wala! Rebound by Kurt! Reyes, may tanga ng bola. May pagkakataong manalo. Kurt, umatake! Miss! Rebound by Jonas! Negrito! Negrito for the win! Oh! Miss it! Rebound! Grabe yun! Kurt, may tanga ng bola for the win! Bang! Wow! What What an intense game! And nice game for Jonas Negrito.
That's money. Now,
Grabe ang intense sa laban na yun. Woo! Alright, our final score 4-2. Panalo po si Kurt Reyes at siyang tinanghalang kampiyon para sa gabing ito. Gets a three. Jamel, no good. Rebound by Garcia. CJ naman ang gustong makabawi. CJ nabitawan. Ito po ang seniors division naman. Sino ang tatanghaling kampiyon? CJ versus EJ. CJ fade away, no good. Rebound by EJ. Garcia. Oh, sorry, that's Jabel. Jabel, step back to bang! Grabe yun. 4-0 by EJ. Good. What a nice trip there para kay EJ. CJ with the drive. Too strong. Rebound by EJ. Wait lang daw sabi ni EJ. 2-point lead. 4-point lead rather. Ayan na. EJ. Fade. Oh! It's foul.
Panalo sa junior?
Kurt Reyes. EJ 4-3, no good. Rebound by Garcia. Garcia with the Hesi. Garcia crossover, spin. Oh, what a strip by Ayan na. CJ Garcia with the ball. CJ, Hesi. CJ spin. CJ, atake, fade away shot. Miss it. Rebound. Time remaining 1 minute and 6 seconds left. EJ Jabel. Ayan na si Coach EJ. May tanga na bola. With the cross. EJ. Uy, miss. Rebound by CJ. CJ top of the key. Short. Nagahanap ng foul pero wala. Tinawag ating referee doon. Ayan na. EJ Jabel with the ball. Tatapusin na ba? 36 seconds left. 5 seconds to shoot. EJ fade away. Missed this shot. Rebound by CJ. Garcia atake. Ayan na si Garcia. Fake. Uy. Oh, what a smart move by EJ Jabel. Inuubos na naman po ang oras ni Coach EJ Jabel. Last 10 seconds at dito na po nagtatapos ang laban ba? Ay na 4-2 at meron na lamang natitirang isang segundo at yun na nga, EJ Jabel won the champion sa ating seniors division. Grabe, congratulations EJ Jabel, and nice game for CJ Garcia for this matchup ng seniors division. Alright, and that's a wrap. Magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating awarding ceremony. Our final score is 4-0. Panalo po si EJ Jabel. Emily, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating liga. Ayan, Consular Franco Tanyadaya, maraming salamat sa successful ng inyong event. At yan sa ating mga sponsor ang Height Max. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Congrats!
So for
But a good game from both team. Grabe ang intense na laban na yan.
I want to thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts from the office sponsor from
Ito po yun yung
Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.
You guys have a great year. We're very happy to watch it. But every tournament has champions and winners. So we're gonna have to award them now. So for the juniors division, in third place, winner by differential total is Angelo Baltao. So you win the cash prize and a medal. So please proceed to the balloon on the right and take a photo. Thank you very much. Congratulations. For second place, despite his crazy run and great games, we still have to give him credit. Second place is no small feat to Ron Kinsuke. Congratulations, Jonas Negrito.
Yeah!
Second place and a cash prize.
Congrats pa rin, Jonas Negrito.
Dapat talo.
And of course, every tournament has a champion, and for ours we have a king of the court. And our one IMAX, one versus one
And that's a wrap.
is Jared Kirk D. Reyes. Our gold medal
Babalik po
winner.
tayo. Ayan, CJ Girl.